Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Cardano, or ADA, from your Trust wallet straight to Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Why do this? Well, Robinhood is a popular platform for managing your crypto investments, and transferring from Trust Wallet gives you more control over your assets. But remember, crypto transactions involve risks like fees and network delays, so always double-check everything. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and a Robinhood account set up. You'll need some ADA in your Trust Wallet, and Robinhood should support Cardano deposits. Double-check that on their app since things can change. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Cardano wallet. If you don't see it, ensure you've added the Cardano network. Tap on the ADA balance to access the Send option. Step 2. In the Send screen, you'll need Robinhood's deposit address. Head over to your Robinhood app, go to the deposit section for Cardano, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. That could mean losing your ADA forever. Step 3. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the Robinhood address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of ADA you want to withdraw, but don't forget to account for network fees. Cardano uses the ADA blockchain, so fees are usually low, but they can vary based on network congestion. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. This includes the amount, fees, and the recipient address. Once you're confident, hit confirm and approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. Step 5. Sit tight. The transaction will take some time to process on the blockchain, typically a few minutes to an hour. You can track it using a blockchain explorer like Cardano Scan. Once it's confirmed, check your Robinhood account to see if the ADA has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Cardano from Trust Wallet to Robinhood in 2025. Always prioritize security, like using hardware wallets for larger amounts, and keep an eye on market changes. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.